65 Jolly Nikki 2. 65 Jolly Nikki 4 done. 66 is Bullet Radio done. Moving on to 67 now. 67 is Arpan Royal. 67 is Royal. 67 done in list. 68 Jolly. We have a lot Jolly radios, but all of different models. So this is model 3222 done. 69 we have from which company we will see now. This is from Uptron company, and ADAB is the model, I think. Yeah, ADAB 622. 69 confirmed. 70 we will move on to 70th one. Where are the 70th one? Yeah, 71 here. 71 is Murphy Majestic Deluxe. Murphy in list confirmed. 71 is Jolly model, Jolly Minor. 71 Jolly Minor confirmed. 72 is Takai Talent Deluxe. 72 Takai Talent confirmed. 73 is Murphy Mastana. 73 Murphy Mastana confirmed. 74 is Murphy Musicana. This is a different model. So this is Murphy 74 Murphy Musicana confirmed. 75th one is Master Musician Solid State. We will see. 75th is Solid State 313110 confirmed. Okay, done with this box. Now we will move to box number 76 to 93. Okay, keeping these radios back. These all radios we are going to put back into this. Okay. Stop the video now. Okay.
Start.
Taking all these radios out, putting them down here, and then we will be counting them. Okay. Pause the video now. Okay, done?
Play.
76 Murphy M1226. 76 Murphy M1226 confirmed. 76 was confirmed. 77 we will see now. 77 we have a different radio of Murphy. This is unique from the previous one. 77 Murphy confirmed. Model number is not available. 78 is again Murphy, and its model number is also not available, but this is different from the previous one. 79 Murphy 3202. We will check the model number. 79 Murphy 3202. 79 Murphy 3202 4430. So this is 79 Murphy 3202 confirm model number. 79 Murphy 80 Murphy mini deluxe. 80 Murphy mini deluxe confirmed. 81 is Murphy mini second. Murphy mini second. This is also confirmed. 81. 82 is Murphy Mohini. 82 Murphy Mohini. 82 confirmed. 83 Mini Classic 405. 83 is Murphy 83 Murphy, and the model is Mini Classic 1405. We will check the model number 1405 confirmed. model 1405 confirmed. Now moving on to the next page with 84 number. 83 has been completed until now. Yeah, 84 number. So 84 number, this again is which is this company. 84 is again Murphy Mini Master 4 radio. Murphy confirmed Mini Master. 85th Murphy Manohar. This one is Murphy. This is Murphy logo, and this is the Murphy Manohar radio. 85th confirmed. 86 is Murphy Mastana. Yeah, 86 is Murphy Mastana. And this one is 86 Mastana radio. 86 Murphy Mastana confirmed. 87 is Murphy Deluxe 1309. Murphy logo we can see, Murphy Magic Deluxe. And for model number we have to turn it around. Model number 1309, and in the list also we have 1309. So 87 also confirmed. 88 is Murphy Magic Solid State. 88 Murphy Magic Solid State. This one is different from all previous ones. 88 confirmed. 89 Murphy Magicina TBO 666. 89 Murphy Mexicana. This is Mexicana. Murphy Mexicana. There is some spelling mistake. Checking the model number TBO 666. So here also in list we have TBO 666. 89 also confirmed. Moving on to the next number 90. Moving on to the next number 90. 90 is a unique radio. This is a Murphy unique radio only. 90 is also confirmed. 91. He forgot to print the name Murphy. 91 is again a Murphy radio. This is Murphy Monarch Deluxe. Murphy Monarch Deluxe. Confirm it from the list. 91 Murphy Monarch Deluxe. 92 is Murphy Solid State 1310. This is Solid State 1310. We have to check the model number behind. This is Murphy 1310. So Murphy 1310 confirm. 93 is Murphy Maharaja. Confirming it from list. Murphy 93 Murphy Maharaja confirm. So up to 93 we have done. We will start from 94. From 94 we will start from here. Check it, focus it here. 94 to 109 we will count from this box. The radio of this box has been counted, and this rack we have this rack we have already covered. Take the camera slowly. Don't move it fast. Okay. Pause now.
Start.
94 to 109. Opening the wall. Keeping it here. We will put all these radios down and then we will count. Okay. Pause the video.
Start.
Taking attempt from 94 to 109. Now the count starts. 94 is Kachibo unique radio. Model number not available. 94 confirmed. 95 is Bush MIR 432. We will see the model. This is model MIR 432. So 95 is confirmed. 96 Bush ETR 106. 96 Bush ETR 106. This is Bush ETR 106. In the list also we can see 96 Bush ETR 106. Confirm. 97 MTR Bush MTR 60. 97 Bush MTR 60. 97 Bush MTR 60. Confirm. 98 moving into 98 Bush MTR 678. Let us see the model number. This is 98 model MTR 678. MTR 678. Confirm. 98 MTR 678. 99 is Nelco Cheetah. 99 is Nelco. Yeah, this is Nelco Cheetah. NELCO. There was a printing mistake. Nelco Cheetah. Okay, this was Cheetah. CHEETAH. Cheetah is the model number here. And we are moving on to the 100th radio we have. So this one is the 100th radio. This one is the 100th radio, and it should be Jeff King 121140. Let's checking it. 100th radio, and this is Jet King, and checking the number, model number 121140. 100th radio Jet King. 100th radio Jet King 121140. 121140. Confirming it. So till now we have completed 100 radios, and the count is still going on. 101 for turning the pages. Okay. 101 is this one. 101 General Electric 8 transistor radio. This is 101 8 transistor General Electric radio. General Electric 8 transistor. Confirm. 102 is Nelco 102 Electra. Nelco 102 Electra. Confirm. 103 is Bush MTR 632. 103, where is Bush written? Checking this. Bush MTR 632. Bush 103 Bush MTR 632. Confirm. 104 is the Bush Baton radio. Okay, this is Bush 104 Bush Baton radio. 104 Bush Baton. Confirm. 105 is Bush Baron. Bush Baron. Earlier was Bush Baton, and this one is Bush Baron, BARON. So this one is confirmed. 105 Bush Baron ETR. Yes, ETR 122. So Bush ETR 122. So confirming it here. Bush ETR 122. 105. 106th radio. 106th radio is Bush ETR 190. So here we have seen Bush ETR 190. So we have to take this out and confirm the model number. Confirming the model number. Can we take this out? Bush ETR 1. What is that? Bush ETR 190. Bush ETR Ballard Deluxe. It will come out, don't worry. Okay, Bush ETR 190 confirm. Keeping it back again. So Bush ETR 190 confirm. 106 107th number, 107th number is Bush again, and it is General 777 model number. Bush General 777. This is the 777 number, you can see. Okay, Bush General 777. Bush, next is Bush MTR 632 108 107 done. Where is 108? Here it is. Bush 108, and the model number is MTR 632. Confirming it from the list. Bush MTR 632. Now moving on to 109 Philips 15DR63. This one is 109 Philips. This one is Philips, and it consists of radio. Here you can see FM MW, so it has inbuilt radio. This is Philips 15DR63. Confirm 109 model number. Yeah, keep it. Here we can see the model number. Type 15DR. Yeah, 15DR603. 15DR603. 0 is missing here. So this one is done. 15DR603. Okay. So up to now we have completed 109 radios, 109 radios, and this, as you can see, this box radios we did count it just now, and next we will be targeting this one, 110 to 118. We will keep, follow my hand. We will keep all these radios back into this box, and then we will be counting this box radios. So pause. That box radios has been kept again, and now we will be taking down these radios and counting them. Okay, like this we are doing it. Okay, pause the video and keep this radio down. Now starting from 1010 Philips DR446012. This is Philips DR102. This is Philips DR1010 Philips DR446012. Philips 4460. Philips 4460. There is a printing mistake. 110 confirmed. So it is a radio. As you can see, FM written here, and it is a 5-port radio, medium wave and short wave. These are the bands given. 1010 done. 110 done. 111. Taking attempt for 111. Philips DR579. This is Philips and DR579. Philips DR579. Confirm. 112 Philips 15DR4210. So checking the model number. Now here we see the model number fill. Philips 15DR421. Philips 15DR421, 112 confirm. 113 is again a Philips radio, medium wave. It has inbuilt cassette recorder also. Model number is 113. Model number is RR216. Philips RR216. Let's check the model number. Philips RR216. Philips RR216. 114. 114. 114. Clearly mentioned. This is 114 Philips D7180. So checking the model number. Where is the model number written? So here we have got D7180 and it has integrated radio. As you can see, FM is written here and this is the frequency band. So Philips 114 is also confirmed. Philips 115 is RR286. Philips RR286 115 confirm. It has integrated radio and it is a recorder also. Radio has to be must. So 116 is BPL Sangeeta A6. BPL Sangeet A6 radio. This is confirmed. 117, moving on to 117. 117 number Philips. 117 number Philips A0415. AQ4150 is confirmed. Moving on to the next page, we have got 118. 118 Philips and the model number is 143. This is 143 radio cum recorder. Both are integrated in this Philips 118 confirmed. So up to 118 we have counted. This box is, as you can see, this box is empty. We are going to keep all these radios back into this box and then we will start counting from 119. This is radios from 119 number to 130 are being kept in this box. So pause.